Today we're going for a walk to explore West Olympia's South neighborhood using this cool map to discover little destinations. Hi, I'm Francine Viola, Realtor in Olympia, and it's still January and it's still cold, but at least it's not raining. So I'm out for a walk and I'm in the south part of West Olympia. The Southwest Olympia Neighborhood Association created a walking map that you can download on their site, and it takes you through the neighborhood to these little destinations that make this neighborhood unique. And this is the fun thing about living in Olympia. There are a lot of these little gems about the area you can discover. Let's go.